everybody, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up the jewelry box by Silver and Gold. So it's been a while since we opened this subscription and it actually has some changes. So we're going to learn about what the updates are to the jewelry box by Silver and Gold and see what we got. And I have opened other boxes by them. They also have like a Ring of the Month club and they offer other like allergy free subscriptions as well, all about jewelry. I will link them down below. So this box, the jewelry box, is $49 a month. And if you get 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months prepaid, you get a discount. And each month you get 2 pieces of jewelry and also a free gift. I have the free gift right here. This side, we'll open that last. So the jewelry can be earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and rings if you give them your ring size. They said sometimes they'll give you some adjustable sizes too. And one thing the thing that makes this jewelry subscription stand out is that they always use sterling silver and or gold. They never use any mystery metals. The jewelry is stamped, and they also have jewelry that includes pearls, gemstones, both natural and imitation, and like fun styles too as well. So they're all different. I'm actually wearing my favorite ring I've gotten from them. I have several now. This came in one of the Ring of the Month clubs. This is like the Aurora Lights ring. So I really love it. I was going to put rings on like all my fingers. I'm like, no, because I don't know what's in this box. I haven't peeked. We'll try it on if it is like anything on my hands. So yeah, I will link them down below. This was kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. Thank you so much. Very grateful. It's because of you guys I get to review boxes. Love this box too. So happy to get it again. And I love the changes in the box itself. It used to come in a cardboard box. Oh, and it says in the back what's in it. Well, wait a second. But look, now it's like you get to pull it out. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. But look, you can like save this and store your jewelry in it if you want. This is so cute. Hold on, I want to, like, they even give it to you in a box that like, displays it really well. Okay, this is a little bit longer than the box, but it's like a little arrow up here too. I'm a Sagittarius rising, and I like love this even more because of that. But I also love the symbolism of bows and arrows because it's like reaching for your goals and your dreams. And I think this is a bracelet. Let's look in the back. Let's close this so it doesn't fall out and see what it is exactly. Is that focusing? Sorry if it's not. So this is the 14 karat gold over sterling silver bow and arrow necklace and simple bar bracelet. MSRP, the value is $158. Oh my gosh. So fun. I was wondering if I've gotten bracelets from them before. I figure I have. I got this a lot, but when I was getting ready for this video, I didn't go through my jewelry thing to look, but I'm glad we got one today. So here, I just moisturized my hands, so if I got fingerprints on it, I apologize. Is this not focusing very well today? I wonder why. Is it because I have other things around? Let me put it on, but this is super cute. It is adjustable. I'm just gonna see if I can slide it on here. It is stamped. Maybe it's because this is focus. Okay, I think you can see it now. And here's the other side. Again, I just put oil on my hands and body, so this is really cute. So this is adjustable. Nice. I don't have as many bracelets as other jewelry pieces, so I am happy about this. But I am the most excited, you guys, about this. This is so cute, and like I said, the reasons why. Let's see if I can get it to focus better. You can see there's some like gemstones right here. There we go. I love this detail. I've seen like arrow pieces like this before, but not like this. This is beautiful. Now let's see if we can find the same. Oh, and this, I was looking at this the wrong way. There is some gemstone, or are some gemstones on the arrow as well. This is so cute. And again, this is adjustable. Let's take it off. And it's kind of, so it's like lariat style, right? Am I saying that right? Because it has a dangle there. But let's look up here. I know some people like to see it themselves, the stamp. Let's see. It looks like it focuses if I think you can see, right? It's a little reflective. You guys, this is probably my favorite necklace I've ever received from them. This is so cute. I'm so excited. I love this. So now let's take a look at the extra item. So they gave me a list of things that could be examples of monthly gifts, including a travel jewelry box, which is what I'm guessing this is. What is going on with the focus? I'm really sorry, guys. There we go. So they said you can also get like ring coils to adjust your ring size fit, magnetic clasp, ring sizer, wrist sizer, jewelry tree or tray, gemstone, keychains, jewelry cleaner, polishing cloths, and more. And on your 1-year anniversary, they'll send you a pair of genuine moissanite earrings, which is really exciting. So I have to say, I love this navy and white combo. This is so cute. Oh my God, there's more stuff in it. I did not expect this. Oh my God, so these are more examples of the gifts you get. Oh my God, this is so sweet. I didn't expect them to send these for me to show you. Thank you. So I was just saying all these things earlier, but now we'll go through it. So here's a piece to clean. But oh my God, you guys, I was just excited about this jewelry case. How nice. Look at this. Okay, we're gonna start this. You can hook things up here. There's a little pouch here, and then for your earrings, you can put your studs through there, rings, and then there's a little divider here too. You can put stuff there. This is small, like thin and stuff, but you can fit so much in here, and there's multiple compartments. That is so cool. Oh my God, and I love the colors and the clasp. Oh my God, this is so nice. Okay, but now, okay, let's look at this. This looks like a venturine and tree of life pendant. Or just a tree, I don't know. Oh, it's a keychain. Oh my God, so cute. So this could be an extra you get 1 month. This is so cute. This definitely looks like a venturine. A little rose quartz there. I love that this is a keychain, actually. I'm more likely to use a keychain like this than wear it as a necklace, but I love it. Oh my God, and I love keeping a venturine around near me because it's all about bringing in abundance and the heart chakra and the tree of growing that. Oh my God, I love this. You guys, this is so fun. Okay, and then remember when I first got this, you guys have been around in a past jewelry box opening like years ago? I don't know, maybe a year, probably years. I got this, and I've always wondered, what is my ring size? I don't know, because I've never been like married. I never like had to know my ring size. And when I got this, I thought it was like the coolest thing ever. I think I'm like a 7. I guess it depends on what finger, but you put this through here and then you measure your ring size and it tells you. I think this is so cool. I love this. And then we have these little adapter things, like, what do they call these? Magnetic clasps, so your necklaces can be put on and off easily. Oh my God, that is so nice. I've talked about this before, like single girl problems or whatever, like not having someone to help you sometimes. Magnetic, that is so cool. There's one in gold and in one silver. That is such a genius idea. I love that. And then these are little ring coils to help you adjust your ring size fit. I think I think that's what these are for. Can you like cut these off? I don't know, but this is to help adjust things. I think they're called ring coils. Here's the polishing cloth. And then what's this? Let's see what this is. Oh, this is a wrist measure. Oh my gosh. I know I get excited about the little things in life, but this is like amazing. You can do the centimeters too, because I know a lot of places ask you for centimeters. How cool. Oh my God. This is so fun. I love this. Oh my God, when I was reading off the list of things you can get, I didn't expect to actually be able to show them to you. So thank you so much, Silver and Gold, for allowing me to show everyone what the options are that people can get in their boxes. The jewelry I love, and I've had a lot of pieces from them before in the past. They all are good quality and have lasted the years. And all of these bonus items are so great. So if you guys are looking for high quality jewelry or a subscription for gifting, because the holidays are, among us, this would be a great idea. And again, they have other options like Ring of the Month Club. But this is jewelry, like just a mix of jewelry. So it'll be different every time. And I think this was so fun to open. Love their stuff. Thank you again, Silver and Gold, for sending this to me. I think the jewelry is great, and the like little monthly treats that are included free each month too as well. Awesome. And I think it's really cool to give an anniversary gift. But that's it for today, guys. I am stoked about this. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Again, link below. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I love you so much. Bye.